this cage. That was a lot of hard work getting you in there. Well, hopefully you don't get out, because I gotta go make some more YouTube shorts. Spider-Rex is missing. Oh. And Spider-Rex broke the cage.
Oh no, Spider-Rex broke the cage?
I gotta fix this.
Okay, you think you can do it, assistant?
I think I can.
All right, you're gonna have to use your mechanical abilities to the very best to fix it.
Okay, gotta do this.
Good job.
Okay, this
One
one should
in.
be good. Time for the second one.
Okay. So you gotta put it back up there, right?
Right, and then put it.
They do it extra well, secured, so Spider-Rex can't get back out of there. Good job.
They should both be good.
Okay, well, what do you have to do now?
Now I have to figure out how to get Spider-Rex back in the cage. Huh. I've got an idea.
What's that?
You know how I got Spider-Rex in there in the first place?
You said, here, Spider-Rex, here. Here,
No,
Spider.
I made him a slime pizza.
Oh, slime pizzas. That's Spider-Rex's favorite thing, right?
That's right, but we do have to find all the ingredients for it.
All right, let's go. Let's see if we can find some ingredients. Through
Okay.
the tunnel.
Through the tunnel, let's go.
Through the tunnel.
Can we check over here? We're over here. This way.
All right, we have to go through the tunnels.
Oh, okay.
Now, I heard that each member of Spidey's friends has one of the ingredients.
Oh, really? How many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
You got to find Spidey, Hulk, and Captain America.
So 3.
Okay.
Should I go through the lava first or through the tunnel?
Wait a minute, right there, laying down in the lava. Who's that?
What? It's Hulk!
Oh, you're gonna have to go on that balance beam, but watch out, the floor is lava.
Oh no. This is a very far jump.
I think you can do it, assistant.
Ah!
Good job.
I did it!
Good job. And wait, who's that?
Oh, it's the Hulk! Hold on, I gotta get him. Whoa.
Oh, it's Hulk. He was laying down in the...
Yes!
So you found Hulk. So that means one of the ingredients is here.
It's pizza dough. The most important one.
The pizza dough.
Yeah.
Awesome. Here,
Almost there.
that's one ingredient.
Now where do we want to go? Do we want to go...
I don't know. I heard there's another one over there by Captain America.
Oh, you saw Captain America?
Yeah. Through there. That means we gotta go through this tunnel.
Here we go.
I'm gonna leave the dough right here. We gotta go through this tunnel to find Captain America.
Okay, keep going.
Alright, gotta keep going, people. Going through this tunnel. It's getting darker now. Hey, there's the assistant.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Good job.
There's lava right here.
More floors lava?
Yeah.
These ingredients sure are protected well.
Another balance beam.
Oh, let's see if you can do it. Good job.
Now I gotta jump on these bricks. Oh,
Good job.
yes. Okay.
Hey, there's Captain America.
It is Captain America. Look at all the ingredients up here.
Oh, you got mozzarella?
Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and flour, and then some extra toppings.
Great job. So we've got more of those toppings, right? Or more
Right.
of the things for the slime pizza.
Can't put them in my pocket.
All of those are made out of slime.
Should I go down the slide?
Sure. You got Captain America. Oh, we gotta go across that balance beam. Good job.
Up here now. Ugh.
Up and down the slide. Do you want to send down Captain America first?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna send.
Here he goes. Ready?
All right.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Go.
Good job. Now your turn.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. Now I'm coming.
Yep.
All right. Here we go. So we gotta find Captain America. Or we found Captain America. So now we still have to find Spidey. And what's the most important ingredient?
The sauce, right?
Pizza sauce, right?
But look what I just found. Waffles?
Waffles. Oh, waffles like slime pizza too.
Why are
Waffles
you
likes
back here?
everything. All right, so there's your table over there.
Okay, so we should move all the stuff over there.
So I've got your pizza dough, right?
Mm-hmm. I think I have everything. Mozzarella? Is that everything? Am I missing something?
You gotta get the pizza sauce. So you
No, like from Captain America.
Oh no, you got everything. You got the mozzarella cheese, the olive oil, the flour, and the Parmesan.
Okay, I think I hear Wiggles too.
Maybe. All right, well, let's go through the maze.
This way?
Yeah. Oh look, it's
Good thing they're lava resistant.
yeah. They've got lava-resistant paws. That's Waffles and Wiggles.
Okay. Going through this tunnel right here.
We gotta go through this tunnel.
Woo!
Where's Waffles at? Waffles, are your paws getting
She's
warm?
biting my hand.
Waffles, she's not made the pizza yet. Waffles. Hi, Waffles. Hi, Waffles. Say hi to the camera.
She's responding to her name.
Waffles, say hi to the camera. She's
Oh, she's biting the mic.
She likes the microphone because it's fluffy like her. Waffles, that's the microphone. Okay, so we gotta go through the tunnel because we gotta find Spidey.
Through the tunnel, this tunnel, the big tunnel.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right. See Darth Vader.
There's a claw machine right here. Look.
Anything?
Don't have any money for it though.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second.
What?
It's Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man. Hey, let's look and see what's down here. You got some squishy breakfast foods,
Ooh.
squishy icy treats.
Money?
Whoa, right there.
Pizza sauce. Here it is. We found all the ingredients.
Let's go make the slime pizza, okay?
Yay! Come on, Waffles, let's go.
All right, you gotta make it back across.
Can I take a shortcut?
However, go across there. Yeah, you can just do the balance beam.
Whoa!
Good job. The Waffles followed you
Now down this tunnel.
down the tunnel. Waffles went down the tunnel too.
You did? Come on, Waffle. Oh, she went back the other way.
Waffles is stuck. Waffles, you see Waffles in the tunnel? She went that way. Okay.
Bye, Waffles.
Wiggles found her way. All right, assistant.
Let's make this pizza. So first, we need some pizza dough, right?
You gotta put flour down on your plate, right?
Correct. Okay. We'll put half the flour down.
Good job.
Okay. Perfect.
Now you get.
Now we get the pizza dough.
That's the pizza dough.
Right. We're gonna try to make it not as sticky.
Okay. So you gotta put. Oh, you put flour in there.
I put flour on my hand.
Good idea.
Okay. So now we put it on our plate
Okay.
and we spread it out, just like you would a regular pizza.
Good job.
Make it circular.
Pan pizzas are like rectangles though, aren't they?
Yeah.
So
We're not making a pan
a
pizza.
circle is round. A rectangle is like a square, but it has two sides that are parallel or the same length, and then two sides of the same length.
And then we ought to make the crust now.
You're making the crust.
Well, as good as this crust is gonna look. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Look at that. That looks good.
That looks great. All right, now what's the next step?
the sauce.
You're gonna put on some pizza sauce, right?
Or is it olive oil? I think olive oil, it's pizza sauce.
It's pizza sauce. You put the olive oil on
Yep. Okay.
the top.
This is like jelly slime.
Oh, is it?
Smells good.
Flatten that sauce out and put
Should
it
I
in
put it in the middle first or put
Probably
it
so.
like this? Wow.
Yeah, now flatten that out.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
That looks pretty good.
I think it looks really good. All right, what's the next step?
Cheese, mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese, because we're making a margarita pizza.
Yes. Here's our cheese. This is like clay.
Oh, really?
So we're gonna do it like this. So I got a little bit of it, and then we're gonna roll it in a ball like this. And then we're gonna flatten it. And then put it on our pizza.
Oh, good idea.
We have lots of mozzarella cheese to work with. It's kind of like pepperoni, but it's not pepperoni.
All right, this is mozzarella. And then you're gonna put the olive oil on top of that, right?
Right.
And then we
I'm gonna make
put
2 more.
some Parmesan, the crushed pepper, the basil, and then we go find Spider Rex.
Okay, 1 more mozzarella. Where should I put it?
On the pizza, of course.
Duh.
Where else would you put it? You're not gonna put it on your nose.
Right there.
That looks great.
You said olive oil next, or should be flour?
Oh, I think you put Parmesan next.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parmesan.
Yeah,
You mean olive oil?
the Parmesan cheese.
Oh, okay. I thought that was the last step. Because you know when they go up to you and say, would you like some
Oh, you can do that. You can put olive oil on next to it. People at home, which would you put on? The olive oil or the Parmesan?
I think I'd put on the olive oil.
Look, there's the olive oil.
Got it. Stuck to my hand.
So the olive oil gets...
Look at that.
Ooh.
It gets drizzled.
Wow. So show me how you're going to make it then.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's looking very olive oily.
And you got a little on the edge. Maybe you should get that on too.
Yeah. I think that looks pretty good.
I think it looks great. What do you people at home
If
think?
you ask me.
Okay, now what are you going to put on it?
Well, we're gonna put on this.
Okay. So you can put on the charms.
Yeah. Take this out first, and then we go. Wow!
Oh, look at that.
And right there. And now we add the Parmesan cheese.
Now you're...
Would you like some Parmesan cheese on your pizza?
I would love some Parmesan cheese on my pizza. What about you people at home?
Tell me when to stop.
Oh, more than that. More than that. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, that's a lot.
That was all of it.
Oh, you want to take... There you go. Sprinkle it on the edges. Okay. So now you got your pizza. We're going to have to go find Spider Rex, right?
Right. For some reason, Spidey Rex loves to play air hockey. So let's see if I can lure him with this pizza. Look, Spider Rex, it's a pizza!
Pizza for Spider Rex! It's a slime pizza!
Doesn't this look good?
Oh, do you want a slime pizza?
Yeah, just follow me and you'll get it.
Come on, Spider Rex!
Come on.
Ooh, yummy!
Yum, come on. Come on, Spider Rex. You know you want the slime pizza. Oh, come on. Come on. Go get it. It's for you. Got you. Yes. And don't worry. I fixed these bars so you won't be getting out anytime soon.
Great job, assistant! You were able to catch Spider Rex again by making a slime pizza.
Yeah!
That was a fun DIY project.
Yeah, it was.
And what else did we do? Who all did we find?
So we found Spider-Man, we found Hulk, and we found Captain America.
That's right, we had to go through all the tunnels and the box wars, right?
Right.
So what should the people do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bonus content! Now we're gonna mix up this slime pizza.
Mix it up, assistant.
Let's go! Whoa. This is a lot of slime.
It sure is. Look at all that slime. What does it feel like?
Feels like slime. Pretty gooey.
Is it a satisfying slime?
Yeah, super satisfying. It's red now.
Well, it's really red, isn't it?
Yeah, very red because of the pizza sauce.
Now, assistant, we're making YouTube shorts too, right? So the people at home should, if you want, talk to your parents to see if it's okay to watch our YouTube shorts.
Right. They're super cool.
We make a lot of slime food, don't we?
Yeah, it's super satisfying to watch us mix it up.
And remember, you're not allowed to eat slime food, but it's fun to see it. You know who
and
else?
Smell.
You know who else likes to watch it?
Waggles.
Waggles likes to watch it. He's right there.
So does Waffles, but she's somewhere right now.
Yeah, Waffles sometimes like vanishes and
she's in her own little world. Bye everyone!
Bye, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.